to Mars puppies. See who we have here. We have Marley. And we have Scooter. Hi, Scooter. And Lulu. And let's see. That's Skylar. Hi, Skylar. And in here. Oh. Here, get down. Let's get Scout. There's Scout. Hi, Scout. Come on out, buddy. Come on. They love running through the little tunnel. Let's see if we can get them to... For there, Scout. Hi, buddy. Hello. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You're sleepy, aren't you? You guys have been up playing already for quite a while this morning. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Scooter. Hi, Scooter. Hi. Yeah, look at that tail go. No, I'm not going to pick you up right now. Nope. Nope, I'm not. Scout's gone in the crate there. He's sleepy. Like I said, these guys have already been up playing for a while. I kind of just woke them up. Hi, buddy. Hey, Marley. Hi, Marley. Hello, Marley. Hi, Skylar. Yeah, hello, sweetie. Okay, these guys are pretty sleepy, so that's a short one for now. There's Skylar. Hi, Skylar. Yeah, you're cutie. Okay. See you later. See you later.